Hello friends, I am Manjeet Kaur, PhD Research Scholar of ECE Department, Punjab Engineering College, Deemed University. Today I am here to discuss our recent paper publication on crosstalk analysis of coupled MLGNR interconnects with different types of repeater insertion. This paper is published in Microprocessor and Microsystems. The author of the paper are Manjeet Kaur, Dr. Neena Gupta, and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh. So let's start the discussion. What are interconnects and their types? Interconnects are fabric of wire used for distribution of clock, power supply, ground, and other signals in an integrated circuits. Interconnects are typically categorized into three types: global level, intermediate level, and local level, depending upon the location in an integrated circuit. So if we talk about global level interconnects, it's having a typical length greater than 500 micron meter. These are the top 3 to 4 layers. These are the longest wires and dominates the performance, whereas intermediate level interconnects are having length greater than 100 micron meter to 500 micron meter. These are the middle layers to connect the local level with the global level. Further, local levels are having length less than 100 micron meter. These are the lowest 2 to 3 layers in an integrated circuit, which are used to connect the logic gates and transistors. Further, copper is used as an interconnect material. The reason is it offers a low resistivity. Its resistivity is 1.7 micro centimeter as compared to aluminum, which is 2.65 micro ohm centimeter, and it exhibits 10 times lesser electromigration. Further, CMOS is compatible with CMOS fabrication process, so it's preferred as a more suitable material for high-speed interconnects. Copper also has higher melting point. It's 1357 Kelvin than aluminum, which is 3933 Kelvin. That provides an advantage over aluminum in terms of stress and electromigration effects. Further, there are many issues in copper interconnects due to the scaling down to nanoscale feature size, copper interconnects has also started facing many problems, like scattering of electrons has started taking place at the surfaces and edges of the copper material, which leads to higher resistivity. Further, the current carrying capability at nanoscale in copper interconnects is decreasing as the current density is getting saturated at nanoscale technologies, causing electromigration in wires, which results in transport of copper atom from high current density spot to the lower current density spot, causing open circuits in interconnects over a period of time. And it also causes, due to the scaling down of at nanoscale, the delay in global level interconnects has started increasing as a square function of scaling factor. And we knew that global interconnects dominates the performance in an integrated circuits. The interconnects are also closely placed with higher aspect ratio, so causes crosstalk and excessive signal delays are there. So inductive effects are also becoming active at higher clock frequencies. Further, as in a modern days IC as operating at gigahertz frequencies, skin effect has started playing critical role in performance of an IC. So coming to the overview of research work in this paper, we have investigated the crosstalk analysis of copper and MLGNR interconnects using FinFET and CNFET based repeaters. Here we have used tree-line bus architecture to compute the worst case crosstalk induced delay on victim line for armchair and zigzag based MLGNR interconnects for all the levels. Further, these are the typical equations. Analytical equations have been used to compute the contact resistance model, we can say, which is categorized into contact resistance, quantum resistance, and scattering resistance. Using these model equations, we have also computed the conducting channels for armchair as well as for zigzag. Further, these are the various equations for calculating the inductance and capacitance used in this research work to compute the capacitance in terms of quantum capacitance and electrostatic capacitance, as well the coupling capacitance. Whereas if we talk about the inductance, it is calculated in terms of kinetic inductance, magnetic inductance, and coupling inductance. So after calculating all the RLC parameters, this is the equivalent single conductor model of MLJNR interconnect we have used to compute the performance parameters in terms of delay, average power using SPICE simulations. Further, this is the distributed RLC parameters of copper interconnects have been computed using the standard analytical equations. The schematic is used to compute the delay and average power performance matrix of copper interconnects using SPICE simulations. So firstly, we have calculated the resistivity variation for various interconnect materials here by varying the length from 0.2 micron meter to 5,000 micron meter. The resistivity of the material is calculated for multi-wall, single-wall copper, armature as well for zigzag at Fermi level, 0.3 electron volt and 0.6 electron volt. And here it is observed by varying the length as the length increases, the resistivity decreases. And for local level, the resistivity is highest for multi-wall with diameter 24 nanometer, and it is minimum for zigzag configuration. And from here, we can conclude that at higher interconnect lengths, the resistivity falls. Further, in this research work, FinFET and CNFET based driver repeaters were used, and the need is because the RC delay of interconnect increases as the length increases quadratically. So repeaters are inserted repetitively to make the interconnect delay as a linear function of interconnect length. So these are the analytical model equations we have used to compute the optimal repeater parameters. And the parameters to calculate the repeater count, size, and time constant, these analytical standard equations we have used. Further, these are in this research work for FinFET and CNFET based drivers and repeaters. The model parameters for FinFET have been adopted from predictive technology models. And for CNFET, Stanford University SPICE model were considered, which includes the non-idealities and parasitic effects. And all these simulations are carried out by taking these standard values. So here, the analysis is done for 3 types of materials: copper, zigzag, and armature MLJNR, using FinFET and CNFET based repeaters for local and intermediate level interconnects at 21 nanometer technology node. And it is observed that for copper at a local level, only 1 repeaters were required, whereas for intermediate level, that is 500 micron meter, the interconnects are increasing, that is 5 we need. Whereas for armature and zigzag at intermediate level, we need 3 repeaters. And here it is also observed that whatever is the level or technology, for CNFET and FinFET, same number of repeaters are required. Further, to compute the crosstalk induced delay and noise calculation, this is the schematic of a typical interconnect structure we have used, where we have used 3-line bus architecture of MLJNR to compute the crosstalk. We have taken 2 aggressor lines and 1 victim line, and when the signal is flowing through this aggressor line, the effect on victim line is calculated, and the CM is the coupling capacitance of MLJNR interconnect, which is calculated using this analytical equation. And further, the crosstalk is calculated. Firstly, we have done, this is the first waveform represents the input signal on 3-line bus architecture on aggressor 1, 2, and victim. So here we can see on aggressor line, falling signal is given, and on victim line, rising signal is given. So here, this waveform represents the victim line output waveform for the computation of out of phase crosstalk delay. For first is for FinFET, and the second is for CNFET. And here the analysis is observed that as the aggressor line is falling, it is not allowing the victim line to rise. So rises here, we can say rise in this is at this instance, here it is rising a bit later. So it holds the signal on the victim line, doesn't allow to rise. Further, the victim line delay ratio and average power consumption is calculated by varying the length from 100 to 1000 micron meter. The victim line delay is calculated for copper versus MLGNR, and here it is observed that as the length increases, the ratio is decreasing. Further, the average power consumption is computed for 100 to 1000 micron meter interconnect length, and here it is observed that as the length increases, the average power consumption increases, and it is more for copper using CNFET repeaters, and it is minimum for armchair GNR with FinFET repeaters. Further, the percentage crosstalk delay reduction for in-phase and out-of-phase analysis is carried out, where the interconnect length is varied from 100 to 1000 micron meter, and here it is observed that the percentage out-of-phase crosstalk delay reduction varies from almost 50% to nearly 20, or we can say in fact it will be like 12, below 20%. Whereas if we calculate the net crosstalk delay reduction by varying the length from 100 to 1000 micron meter, the reduction here it is more than, here it is 40, 50, 45, 46, 47, 47% to almost it is nearly 2% we can say. Further, to calculate the crosstalk noise voltage, it is computed for armchair and zigzag configuration at local, intermediate, and global level. And by varying the interconnect length, the peak in-phase crosstalk noise voltage is computed. Here it is observed that as the interconnect length increases, the peak in-phase crosstalk noise voltage increases. It is about almost 90 millivolts. Whereas for outer phase crosstalk noise voltage, as the interconnect length increases, here we can see the scenario that outer phase it is lesser. It is maximum till 22, 24, almost 24 millivolts. So in phase crosstalk is more, out of phase is lesser, because in phase, if it is in phase, the noises are added. Out of phase, it will get reduced. Further, if we conclude collectively, in this complete research work, the performance of repeaters comprising FinFET and CNFET base have been computed using equivalent single conductor model of MLGNR based interconnects. We have used 3-line bus architecture to compute the worst crosstalk delay on a victim line for armchair and zigzag. And further, the detailed crosstalk investigation, including in-phase and out-phase net crosstalk induced delay, have been carried out. SPICE simulation results further indicates that reductions observed in worst case crosstalk induced delay for MLGNR interconnects with FinFET repeaters are 41.54, 34.57, and 19.71%. And with CNFET repeaters, it's 47.47, 30.91, and 20.65% as compared to copper interconnects for interconnect length varies from 100, 500, and 1000 micron meter respectively. So here a significant reduction in peak crosstalk noise voltage amplitude have been observed for local intermediate level MLGNR as compared to copper. So this was the discussion. For more detail, you may visit our paper through this DOI number. Thank you. Have a nice day.